Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another diamond painting for beginners video. Today we are going to talk about unboxing a diamond painting kit, what is included in your kit, so you can better understand what the heck you are looking at if you buy a kit. So let's get started. I am using a paint gem kit. Now these are mini little diamond painting sets, but this applies to all sorts of kits. So open it up and you've got a bunch of goodies in here. So let's just take everything out. We've got like a little tool bag, it feels like. We've got our paintings. We've got our bags of drills. And then we have a sticker sheet. Okay, so we'll set the packing aside and we'll go through everything one by one. Now, not every single diamond painting kit is packed the same, and if you buy the cheaper ones on Amazon, it's unlikely you'll get a toolkit, but sometimes you do. Sometimes you don't actually get stickers. I do have a video I'm creating though on how to work around that, so don't you worry. So it all just kind of depends on where you're getting it from, but we're going with this one for now so I can give you an idea. Okay, so first things first, when you open a diamond painting kit, you will have your diamond painting canvases. Now this is a mini kit, so it comes with quite a few canvases, but as you can see here, the canvas itself has a layer of plastic, and that's basically the cover, protecting the glue from getting hair, dust, whatever, because we need it sticky for the drills, which are the gems we'll talk about in a minute. And then as you can see, there are colors and letters. Now, when you go over to your little stickers here, you'll see corresponding ones. So like a T and a T. That means that spot right there where there's a T, once you kit up, which we'll do a video on another day, you would place your T drills there. Right now we're just talking about what's in your standard kit. Now let me show you a canvas that's not a mini canvas. Okay. So this is just a cheap canvas I got off of Amazon, but I wanted to show you so you could see what a larger canvas might look like instead of a bunch of minis. Often canvases like this, and not these little mini guys, will have a color list here, which is helpful because then while you're diamond painting, say I see over here a U, I can look through this color code here, find U, and that's number 22, and depending on how I kit up, maybe I only number my little bins, maybe I've put the sticker on it for the U. This is actually going to be in a video though showing you because it didn't come with stickers for my trays or my lining, or to kit up my little bins. Wow, words. So most of the time canvases will have a key here and a key up top with most brands, especially longer canvases, because obviously if the key is at the bottom and you've got like a 36-inch canvas, you don't want to constantly go up. But same thing, covered in plastic, and this plastic is adhered to this glue right here. You don't want to peel that away until you're ready to paint. We're not doing that today. We are just talking about what is in your kit. Okay. So, canvas, most important. Second most important would be the drills, also known as, you could call them diamonds, you can call them gems, but the term you'll hear a lot in diamond painting is drills. I know, it's the weirdest way to refer to them, but that is what they are. Now, they'll either come in square, which is they are literally a square, like this kit here, or they'll be round drills. So it just depends, and when you're shopping for your kits, you'll want to pay attention to that. I'll do another video on square versus round, but eventually you may have a preference, but always take a look. If you're new to diamond painting, I recommend going with a round. However, like these mini little kits, which I'll link to some that are on Amazon to save you some money instead of going to Diamond Art Club and all those sites first, because if you're new to diamond painting and you're watching this video, you're not ready to like throw down 30 bucks. So I'll link to some of these minis. I highly recommend starting with mini kits. They are snack size. You can belt them out quick and you feel like you've accomplished something in life. So that is what you'll have, is your drills. Now, most companies are great about packing them up, giving you every drill that you need. You'll notice some bags are bigger than others. Some companies will have vacuum sealed bags, and then they'll have multiples. It just depends on how they are done. So the cheaper brands tend to put them in little baggies. But no matter what, everybody has a label. So with this one, you just need to find the color itself. Now this one I know is kind of confusing because you have all these numbers, right? But we're looking for this right here, 820, and that's this color right here. Pull out this one. This is also their numbering system. They just don't have numbers. Remember on the other canvas how I said it said 22? Well, now we want 995. It's right here. So basically what I do before I even kit up, especially with these little ones, is I would go through and make sure I have a bag of drills for every single sticker. Okay, so drills are the second most important. You'll have some big fat ones, like, because clearly it looks like we're going to be doing a lot of black in this one, 310. You know, you'll have some with just a teensy amount. You'll have some that are a little bit more like these guys. And most companies will package them by weight, so they're not put in numerical order. They're placed by weight. Just so I can show you, here's another company. This is the cheap little one I got from Amazon. These are round drills, but see how they're vacuum sealed? However, they did theirs in numerical order. Like this is literally number 30, 29, 28. So that's appreciated. But Diamond Art Club and other companies, they'll do them by weight. But you'll have some that are bigger than others. These little kits, though, you're not going to see anything significant. However, when you start getting into bigger kits, you may have like 3 bags of one color because they can only fit so much. Okay, so drills, second most important. Stickers are third, but not required, and I will do a video on how to get around it. Luckily, they did give us little stickers here. Now, these are what you would put on your little storage containers so that you can easily organize or kit up your kit. But we're not going to do that. That's another video. I'm trying to keep these beginner series short. Not every company includes a kit or a toolkit. Some will do these cute little canvas bags, others do not. Some will just throw in the tray and a pen, but you'll usually get, if they do, a tray, it's just a cheap plastic one, a little thing of what we like to call pink wax, though some companies will send you blue, purple, light pink, it's all the same. It's the same formula. Some will send you tweezers. Tweezers are always handy. Now, Diamond Art Club stopped sending tweezers, but if you got their old kits, you'll end up with like 30 of those metal tweezers. Then they'll send you the pen. Now, let me get anything else that's hiding in this bag. Usually if they send a pen, they'll like send a little grippy thing here, which always makes it nice because these can be a little bit of a pain to hold. And then they'll usually send a couple multi-placers. What you get multi-placer wise really depends on the company. So sometimes they'll have it printed on the side what they are. This company does not, but this is like a 2 multi-placer and it's a wide. There's a difference in the tips. Again, we'll do another video on that. I feel like all I'm saying is wait for another video, but I'm trying to make this as snack size as possible. So say I want the larger one here, because if really a 2-placer for me, I would just use my single placer. So all you do is just pop that in, and now you've got your pen. So this is my little toolkit. They gave me just one little thing of pink wax, but that's not a big deal. If you diamond paint a lot, you'll end up getting a massive collection of pink wax, purple wax, blue wax, but anytime you hear someone say pink wax, this is actually red, they're referring to this wax that comes with your kit. So that is the basics of unboxing or opening a diamond painting kit. See what I mean? Short, sweet, and to the point. Will they all have little toolkits? Not all the time, though. Even the cheap ones on Amazon at least give me a crappy cheap tray, which we'll talk about upgrades later. I usually get a pen, and I usually get some pink wax. I don't typically get a nice canvas bag and tweezers, but that's okay. You'll get stickers, hopefully, or at least some sort of guide letting you know. You'll get your drills, and you'll get your canvases. And that's what you get when you unbox a diamond painting kit. So let me know if you have any questions about unboxing kits or what you should find in there. This is just an example. And in my next video, I will show you how to use pink wax. That's this, pink, blue, purple wax. And the standard pens that come with your kits. We'll also be doing one on kitting up, so you know what that means, because you're probably like, what's that mean? Well, I'm going to teach you. And then we're also going to talk about just preparing your canvas, but also what to do when you don't have any stickers. So let me know what you would like to see first in the next video, and until next time, take care. Bye now.